Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable eye comfort mode and where to find it on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To do this we have to go to our settings here. Next we have to find display and brightness option, and we can see eye comfort options here. To enable it we have to tap it once. Now we have few options. We can enable it all day. I hope it's visible. We can change intensity of our eye comfort mode, and it's enabled now. That's simply it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.